Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to connect an LED as an indicator in the USB cable. This is a micro USB cable and you can see we have no idea that whether the power supply is on or not. Recently I came across such scenario and the reason was my power supply adapter was faulty. There was no power indicator in my adapter and I need to check with my multimeter to confirm that my adapter was faulty. So I made an indicator in the USB cable so that I can know whether 5 voltage reaching in the terminal or not. So for fixing the LED, I am cutting this part of the USB cable. Now we will remove the sleeve from both ends. Normally in a USB cable there are 4 connections. Red is positive supply, black is negative supply or ground, and the middle 2 wires are data plus and data minus. All wires will be having sleeves. But here you can see there is no sleeve for positive and ground terminal wires. Here, how can we find the polarity of the supply terminals? Since both wires have no sleeves, it is a bit difficult to identify. But here you can see the data terminal has color codes. One is yellow and the other one is white. And all wires are fixed in line, that is one after the other. If you like our video, please click like button. Here the bottom yellow wire is not in align with the upper yellow wire. It is connecting to the white wire which is wrong. So we have to turn the upper connector for making it in align with the bottom connector. Now see, both are correct. I will confirm the connection by connecting to my mobile phone and power bank. Now we will connect a green LED indicator, and for current limiting I am using a 1 kilo ohm resistor in series with the LED. We will try to fix the LED here. For all the connections we should use a heat shrink tube, and in some places we will be using an insulation tape. We can fix the LED in any ways. Either we can make use of instant glue or glue stick or cello tape or anything as per your wish. Here I am using instant glue. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. In darkness, you can see the USB port using the LED light. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video so that we will know that. This is my JBL Bluetooth speaker. I can see it's a charging port from the light of the LED indicator. Try this at your home. If you like our video, please click like button. If you do not like our video, click dislike button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.